In a lush forest, a survivalist named Sam wandered through greenery, eager to educate himself on foraging. He found a patch of wild edibles, starting with dandelion greens. Sam explained how to identify them, emphasizing the importance of ensuring the area is pesticide-free. Further along, he spotted clover blossoms, which are not only edible but also packed with vitamins. He wisely noted, always chew a little before consuming more, as some plants can be potent. To wrap up, Sam urged viewers to create a plant identification journal, fostering a deeper connection with the environment as they learn to recognize safe resources around them.